Alright. I hope you can see everything. Well, there you go. We'll finish tightening that up. This end's in, and we gotta just put the other end in. Alright, I got the fan off now, so you can hear me better, I'm sure. Anyway, got that good and tight on there. That lock collar's there, or locking pin, whatever you want to call it, clip. And I got that tight back there. It all looks to be really good. That's a little play in it, but it is what it is, being as it was made from 57 to 79, the year they made these. But anyway, that's all back together. Got it all tightened up. Drove by on there and everything. Got to put the belt and this adjuster on there, and this part will be done, and then we got to do these bearings here. So we'll be right back. All right, we're getting back at this a couple days later. We got this bearing down here we're going to fix. Yep, we finished up that day, went to my grandson's baseball games. So, but here's the new bearings, and they go there. So we're going to get those pulled off. That didn't budge. All right, nothing fancy about bolting that up, just impact, 1/2 inch. Here's the other flange, but since that came with everything, I don't have to worry about messing with them. So, well, I need to clean this up a little more on this end and that end, and then we can put it all back together, slide it up in here, and this project will be done. So we'll be right back. Well, it's time for the compressor to kick on, but yeah, I scarred that a little bit, cutting that bearing off right there. All right, we're back. What I did, I took the grease zerk from here to here. I think I like it better back there. So let's see how she slides on. Well, pretty close. Let's work on it a little bit more. Can't really turn it by hand too easy, but it's in there. So let's get this back down underneath here and get these holes lined up. We'll have it back together. Okay. Okay, well, that's rolling pretty good. It's got a little bend to it, but that bearing is made to give, so let's tighten these up. Okay, we're gonna give it a little shot of grease, and then we're gonna be done. We got a lot of tools and garbage to pick up, but we'll get it here. We'll be right back. Well, I don't know if you can hear me, but it runs a whole lot quieter. It's not making all them rattle sounds it made before, so everything checks out, working good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.